Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your email on Indeed. So go to your profile first, then you're going to select the three lines here, then you're going to select privacy, you're going to go to settings, go to account settings, then you're just going to select change email here. Add in your new email address and save email. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.